Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we slow down. For you and I were safe and we were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't know to say. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, it's not like we need them. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't know how to play. You say we need a change. I feel that you mean it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time. Buying things online. It's not like we need them. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I are safe and We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
Hello guys, welcome back to the stream, and finally we are back here. I'm not streaming for quite a while now, especially for Stargaze, right? Yesterday also I didn't stream, so I welcome you back each and every one of you who are watching the stream, welcome to the stream. So please make sure to hit the like button, and for those of you who are new to the channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. So we have the first match here of Stargaze mini tournament. This is a qualifier for the paid tournament. Top 3 will qualify to the paid tournament. So we have a semi-final for group, this is for group A, right? I guess it's for group A Stargaze mini tournament. We have the first match in Miramar. Let's take a look. We have a plane going from the eastern part going directly to the western part. Here we have a total of 79 players and a total of 20 squads in this match. Let's take a look who's gonna get the chicken dinner in this match. For those of you who want to support your own squad, please make sure to check the description is already provided there, the slots and the squad names, and please mention the slot numbers, so it'll be easy for me to spectate and commentate for the teams. So we already have team number 4 there trying to move into the northeastern part. There we have southeastern part here with we have team number 9 RNG squad. We have SLK going to the northeastern part. So it seems like the central part is going to be dominated by so many squads, it seems so. But let's take a look. After a while, maybe we are going to see some squads going to spread out to the other portion of the map here. So for those of you who are so okay, wait, I'll show you a slot 18. I will show you slot 100, 200. Don't worry, wait. No one has already reached their destination yet. So we have so many squads gonna be in a fight in Hacienda. It seems we have team number, which team is it? These are the 2 squads. Team number 18, yes, here we have team number 18, bhai saab. Team number 18. Maybe they are going to be in a fight with team number 3, SLES and RT squad. Let's take a look who's gonna win in a fight between these 2 squads. Will it be team number 18 or will it be the other team there from team number 3? Let's take a look at the central part of the map. There we have so many squads. HPIM, 𝗲𝗡𝗡 already managed to get 1 knockout, and we seeing here team number 8. How many players still left? We have only 2 players still remaining from team number 8. Judas Hunter and Lapo still remaining. So we have another player being that's a confirmation coming in from 𝗲𝗡𝗡 from team number 22. So we have TTKS also in Hacienda as well, and team number 22, they are right in between team number 8 and team number 10. Already with a good start for 𝗲𝗡𝗡 team number 22, and they already managed to get that 1 kill, and they are still in a fight with team number 10 as well. They managed to take some damage there, but team number 8, they are very bad this position now with only 2 players remaining. So let's take a look. Team number 22, 2 players on the left and 2 players on the right. They are still trying to dominate this portion of the map here, and we have shots being fired from team number 22, but no one has been taking damage yet. But let's take a look. Team number 10, how many players remaining from team number 10? Team number 10 still with 4 players, but team number 8 is going to be very hard for them to win in this fight. So let's take a look at team number, which team you want me to spectate is team number 18, right? Team number 18, they are still pretty far away from team number 3. They are still focusing on the loot itself. Already managed to get that win gun, right? So let's take a look at a southwestern part here. We have team number 16 along with team number 11, IVH and Kasi Barbarian. Is it TM Dogs gotten Kibi bhai saab? It's a mixed up squad, right? Team number 16 here. So we have team number 11, IVH. Let's take a look who's gonna be taken down first. We have 1 player moving in the right direction there from team IVH. We have assembled team from team number 16, but let's take a look at team number 11. Will they go for the push against team number 16? 3 players on the left side. They are still trying to hold the position, and they are not gonna make a move. Let's move back to the central part of Hacienda here. We still have team number 10 and team number 22. What about team number 8? IVH, they managed to knock out 1 player, it seems, and let's take a look. Will it be another player being knocked out? 1 player from team number 16, TM Mark, been knocked out by IVH. So there's shots being fired from team number 16, and 1 player from IVH also facing some damage there. and it's going to be a grenade. Will it take the damage? Oh, it's a grenade from both the squads. Oh, what a nice grenade there from 𝗔𝗢𝗔𝐈. Managed to knock out one player from 𝐈𝐻. Are they gonna go for the push? It seems like a revive. Another grenade is gonna be thrown. Is it gonna be? Oh, another player being knocked out. This guy 𝗔𝗢𝗔𝐈 with a nice grenade managed to knock out two players. Cover shots coming in from Pool X. Will he manage to take a cover for those two players who's being knocked out? So let's take a look. One player there from 𝐈𝐻. He's on the right side. Will he be able to get a cover for his own teammates? But we have another player there from 𝐈𝐻. There's a confirmation from team number 16. That's a very bad grenade coming in from Pool X. There's another confirmation. But let's take a look at 𝐈𝐻 with only two players still remaining. It's going to be a very bad gameplay there for team number 11 with only two players remaining, and very good advantage here for team number 16 with four players still remaining. And now let's take a look at team number 11. They are still pretty far away from one another. Maybe both these guys are gonna fall back. They are not gonna take a fight. But let's take a look at 𝗔𝗢𝗔𝗥. Did he spotted that player from 𝐈𝐻_𝐕𝐴𝐺𝐻? Okay, he already spotted that player from 𝐈𝐻_𝐕𝐴𝐺𝐻, I guess. So we are going to see the fight happening between these two guys here. Maybe the other fight is going to happen on the opposite side as well. But let's take a look at these two players, 𝐕𝐴𝐺𝐻 and 𝐿. Oh, by sab, 𝐕𝐴𝐺𝐻, he decided to fall back and he's gonna take the other building there. Shots being fired from the left side from those two players from 𝗏𝐵_𝐻. But let's take a look at the other player there, 𝐈𝐻 Pool X. He's still holding his own position, and he's still trying to take a cover for his own teammates. But let's take a look at Hacienda. No one is in the fight in Hacienda, but let's take a look here. We have team number 14, Kasi Royals, still not in a fight as well. Two players in this position, and the other two players are on the northern side of San Martin. So let's jump straight ahead back to the southwestern part of the map here. We still have team number 16 and team number 11. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the subscription, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Please also please make sure to hit the like button as well. So we have a direct push coming in from team number 16. There's a knockout coming in from 𝐈𝐻_𝐕𝐴𝐺𝐻. Will he manage to get another knockout? 𝐈𝐻_𝐕𝐴𝐺𝐻 is very low in HP, and his remaining teammate is also gonna come in for help. But 𝐈𝐻_𝐕𝐴𝐺𝐻 is still going to manage to boost himself up, and another player from 𝐈𝐻, he's gonna come in with that push. But team number 11, by sab, OP gameplay there from team number 11. He managed to knock out two players, and he managed to get one confirmation. Now we have by sab, when he managed to get, oh, what a nice cover there from Pool X. Wow, what a nice wipe out from team 𝐈𝐻 with only two players. Managed to wipe out four players from team number 16. What a nice gameplay from 𝐈𝐻 squad. Wow, they've lost two players, but they have shown themselves worthy of this match with two players. Managed to take down four players from team number 16. What a nice gameplay there from 𝐈𝐻. So maybe let's take a look back to the fight between 𝗏𝗡𝗡 team number 22 and team number 10. Where's team number 8? I guess team number 8, they fall back. But let's take a look at the central part here. We have team RT getting closer and closer with team number 3. Team number 3 is SLES squad. No one has been taken down yet, but maybe it's about time. These two squads going to be in a very good fight. And they are getting closer and closer. It seems like SLES gonna go for the push inside this building here. And let's take a look at SLES. Are they gonna assemble together and go for the push as a squad? We have two players here from team number 18, but the other two players are on the right side. But let's take a look at team number 3 as well. They are pretty far away. It seems like only one player is gonna make a move here, gonna go for the direct push against team number 18. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your continuing support. So it seems like it's gonna be exchange of grenades between these two squads, SLES and RT squad. RT squad, 3 players on the 2 players on this building here, and 1 player on the right side, and the other player is on the left side. It's going to be another grenade there. Managed to take 50% damage. Is it going to be a push by P-Man YT here? He managed to get a damage with that grenade. 50%. SLES, one player is being knocked out, and there it is. Oh, by Saab. IVH. Oh, that kill feed is already coming. It's coming pretty late, right? I thought IVH managed to get another squad, but actually it's the previous fight. So let's take a look. One player there from SLES being knocked out, and it seems like SLES blood is gonna die, and there's not gonna be a revive. Yes, there's a confirmation coming in from RT squad. Now SLES with only 3 players remaining, and there are still 2 players in this building here, and the other player is pretty far away from these 2 players. Maybe they are gonna assemble together, or maybe they are gonna fall back. Let's take a look. Another grenade coming in from Paul, RT Paul here from team number 18. No one is gonna make a move. They are still holding their positions. It's going to be a smoke grenade coming in. Maybe they are gonna decide it. They are gonna decide to move inside this building here, or maybe they are gonna go for a push against RT Paul. Yes, there's a push coming in from team number 3 against RT Paul. Will they be able to get a knockout against RT Paul? Maybe they already heard that footsteps inside that small building here, and there's a cover shots coming from team number 18 on the left side. But let's take a look at SLES Wang here trying to move in the front line, and we have 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗢 also on the left side. But let's take a look. It's going to be a grenade. Oh, bhai saab, what a grenade! And that grenade missed, and no damage at all. So we have one player there from team number 3 as SLES Bunny trying to take a cover, so that it will prevent from those players from team number 18 to to go down and help his own teammates. So we have team 18 here, 2 players and 2 players from team SLES. Let's take a look who's gonna be taken down in these from these 2 squads. Will it be team number 18 or team number 3? Team number 18 still with a full man squad, but team number 3 with only 3 players still remaining. We have team number 14 also, Cassie Royals. Maybe they are going to join the fight with these 2 squads. They have to act pretty fast, otherwise team number 14 here, Cassie Royals, gonna come in as a third party against team number 18 and team number 3. Let's take a look who's gonna be in the next fight. Let's take a look at Hacienda. Here we still have team number 22 and team number 21, team number 22 and team number 21, MH squad and HPIM, and we have another squad there which is team number 10. Still pretty far away though, right? Still pretty far away, and maybe let's focus back to Picado. We still have team number 18 and team number 3. These are the ones who's going to be in a fight. For now, let's take a look. Shots being fired from team number 8. Who's going to be the next player to be knocked out? Arey bhai sahab, what happened to this FPS? It's dropping so bad. So let's take a look at SLES. 2 players still remaining. And SLES, another player there from team number 3 with only 3 players still remaining. Will he be able to clutch against 4 players from team number 18? 4 players still remaining from RT squad. So there's gonna be a push coming in from SLES. Wang and 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗢. Oh, bhai sahab, damage has been taken there, and 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗢 have lost so much damage, so much HP there with only 25% left. And let's take a look. Will team number 3 gonna be able to take a fight against team number 18? It seems like they are in a very bad position. Even their own teammates are pretty far away. Yeah, he's still trying to take a cover from the opposite side there and still managed to take some damage. But let's take a look at RT squad here, still holding the position inside that 2-story building. And we have a good cover coming in from SLES Bunny. And there's a knockout coming in from wow, bhai sahab, what a knockout coming in from SLES Wang. And there's gonna be a push coming in from team number 3. Will he be able to knock out another player there? And it's going to be a revive coming in from team number 3, and he managed to get that confirmation. So let's take a look at SLES. There's a push coming in from team number 18 and another knockout from team number 3. Let's take a look at team number 18. It seems like he's gonna go for a push as well. And team number 3 now, he's gonna come to help his own teammate. Let's take a look at Berlin here. Will he manage to okay, he's gonna throw that smoke grenade. It's not a grenade. You shouldn't waste your time. Oh, bhai sahab, a revive is already being done by SLES squad. Oh, he managed to get a knockout. So it's going to be, oh, bhai sahab, team number 3 with only 3 players still managed to take down 4 players from team number, which team is it? Team number, I forgot. Team number 18, right? Team number 18, yes. Team number 18 has been taken out by team number 3. RT squad going to lobby. So let's take a look ahead back. Oh, Khasi Royals, they are falling back. They are not gonna join the fight with these squads. So let's take a look at the northern part. The zone is getting smaller and smaller. We have team number 22 here, still with 4 players remaining, and we have team number 15 down below there. Shots being fired and 1 player being knocked out. Wow, bhai sahab, SLES. Oh, SLES. Oh, this the skill feed is delayed. So we have 1 player there from team number 15 being knocked out by 𝗔𝗡𝗡𝗅. Team number 22 here have got a very good high ground here from team number 22, but team number 15 still managed to get that revive, and it's going to be 4 players still remaining. So shots being fired from 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿. The 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿 proved himself that he knocked out so many players. He already managed to get total of 2 kills for his own squad, and now he managed to get another knockout. So now they are gonna get inside that player zone. Let's take a look at team number 15. Are they gonna go for the push against team number which team is it? Against team number 22. Team number 22, they are still right outside that player zone, and now we have team 15 here already managed to get inside that player zone. So we still have a total of 59 players remaining and a total of 16 squads. So let's take a look at the northern part here. We have team number 22 𝗔𝗡𝗡𝗅 has been knocked out, and it's going to be team number 4 SLK between SLK and HPIM with only two players still remaining from team number 4. Let's take a look. Are going to be able to go for the revive, and HPIM also 1 player is being knocked out, but his own team is a pretty far away. So we have SLK squad here gonna go for the push, and it seems like it's gonna be a confirmation, or maybe team number 22 here is gonna cover for their own teammates. 𝗏𝐒𝐃𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿 is being knocked out. Oh, bhai sahab, where is that knocked out happening? Bhai sahab, knocked out. MNG squad managed to knock out 𝗔𝗓𝒐. 𝗏𝐒𝐃𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿 has been taken down. So let's take a look at team number 4 here. Gonna go for the push against HPIM. Let's take a look on the right side, trying to rotate from the right side, and team HPIM already spotted SLK Zoro Noob. So we have 3 players remaining from team number 22, and team number 4 here with 4 players still remaining. They still managed to go for the revive, even though 2 players being knocked out, and the revive is still completed from team number 4. So it seems like team number 4 here is gonna fall back, not gonna take the fight with HPIM. So let's take a look at team number 15. Are they gonna go to for revenge for 𝗏𝐃𝐃𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿? 𝗏𝐃𝐃𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿, how many kills he got? 𝗏𝐃𝐃𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿, bhai sahab. So we have team number MNG also here managed to get 1 kill. That is 𝗏𝐃𝐃𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿 has been taken down by team number 17. So we have a total of 4 kills for team number 15 here. How many kills players have got? Kiwi have managed to get 1 kill, and Lost Boy also 0 kill. Bhai sahab, Lost Boy. Kiwi here 1 kill, and this guy also Aries also 1 kill. So 𝗏𝐃𝐃𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐿 means he got only 2 kills. Let's take a look at team number 17 going to manage to take down the remaining players from team number 15, and the car is already exploded, and seems like it's going to be a very bad position for them. Here they are out in the open, and team number 17 have got a very good ground, and it seems like MNG squad gonna go for the rotation from the left side. 1 player and 1 player there on the right, and 2 players in the center part. So we have only 3 squads still inside that player zone. We have another player being knocked out. Let's take a look. We have 1 player from team number 17. Zoras managed to knock out NMG Beerus. Zoras from team number 5. Let's take a look. There's a revive coming in from team number 17. Goku is gonna go for a revive, and Beerus here is gonna stand up again. So we have team number 5 here. How many players still remaining? We have team number 5 with 4 players still remaining, and they're gonna move into the safe zone as well. They have another problem. Team number 17 also on the right side, and they have to move on the opposite direction. They are not gonna go for the fight against team number 17, because that blue zone is gonna be a very big problem. So we have another player there. Oh, by total of 2 kills, and another player there from team number 15 is being knocked out, and team number 15, all of them have been taken down, and we have seen NMG squad manage to take down those remaining players from team number 15. So let's take a look at team number 17. They are gonna move into. So we have welcome back. It's just Wi-Fi glitch, right? Wi-Fi glitch, Wi-Fi problem right there. So we are back into the match. So thank you everyone for being patient. So we have team number 17 still with 4 players still remaining. Why are you guys talking in all chat? Come on, come on. Why are you guys talking in all chat? So we have team number 17 here managed to get inside that player zone with a total of 6 kills. Let's take a look. We have team number 4 still pretty far away, and let's take a look. And we have team number 13 SS squad also with the last player still remaining. Oh, we still have 3 players still remaining from team number 13. And this guy is gonna die outside the player zone, it seems. He's going AFK and he's gonna die in vain. So we have 2 players still remaining from team number 13. So let's take a look at the central part of the safe zone here. We have so many squads going to be in a fight soon enough. And we have team number 14 already managed to get into the safe zone. We have so many squads still outside that play zone. Maybe a very big fight is going to happen outside the play zone. Is going to be happening in the left side between team number 11 and team number 13. Team number 13 with only 3 players still remaining. We have 𝗙𝗪𝗍𝐿. He's gonna die outside the play zone, it seems. Yes, because he went AFK and he's not going inside that safe zone, and he's being knocked out outside the play zone. So we have only 2 players still remaining from team number 13. Let's take a look here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 squads still inside that play zone. We have a total of 46 players remaining and a total of 15 squads in this match. Wow, 𝐻𝐈_, the safe zone is getting smaller and smaller, and so many squads still remaining. The safe zone is gonna shrink down again within 5 seconds, and everybody is gonna move out of their own position. Let's take a look. Another player is being taken down there, and we have team number 17 with another kill, a total of 7 kills. What a nice gameplay there. NMG squad have proved themselves to be worthy of this match. Still no one has been taken down from team number 17. We have only 1 player still remaining from team number 11. It seems like team number 4 also trying to make their way into the safe zone. Let's take a look at team number 20 here. 𝐓𝐻𝐺S still with 4 players still remaining are going to be in a fight with MH squad 20, team number 20. 2 players are there in the front and 2 players are in the back. Let's take a look. Will team number 21 manage to take down team number 20? Team number 21 is being knocked out by 𝐓𝐻𝐺S from team number 20. So we have 2 players still remaining from team number 21. And there it is. We have team number 15 also gonna move inside that blue zone. That blue zone is gonna take so much damage from that player from team number 15. And we have 2 players remaining from team number 21. Let's take it away. Be able to survive. Team number 15 still have got that buggy, and he's still trying to move inside that player zone. And we have team number 21 also gonna struggle against the safe zone. Is going to be 85 coming in from team number 21, it seems, and they have got this vehicle to move inside that play zone. It seems like it's gonna explode as well. So we have team number 15. He's gonna die outside the player zone. There it is. Yes, he died, the last remaining player from team number 15. So let's take a zoom in and take back to another fight between team number 13. It seems like team number 13 and team number 4 going to be in a fight. The last 2 remaining players from team number 13. Blood Inferno. He's being surrounded by so many squads. 2 players still remaining from team number 13. And who's gonna survive in this fight? Team number 4, 2 players. Team number 13, 2 players. And it seems like team number 17 who are the ones who are dominating in this fight. And seems like team number 17 going to be the ones. Yes, there it is. RKG squad. What a nice gameplay there. And NMG also managed to take down the last remaining player from team number 15. Let's take it out. Team number 17 with a total of 9 kills. With a total of 9 kills. So let's take a look at 𝐶𝐴_Royals. We have 1 kill already for 𝐶𝐴_Royals, still with 3 players still remaining. Snake Eyes has been taken down. And we have team number 17, very good high ground, but they are still outside the player zone. We have 𝐶𝐴_Royals right inside this player zone. Let's take a look. Who's gonna be taken down next? 𝐶𝐴_Royals already managed to get inside that player zone. Let's take a look. Who's gonna be the next one? Everyone's still trying to move inside that player zone. We have team number 17 here trying to go for the rotation from the opposite side. They managed to get inside that player zone. Oh, very good move there from team number 17 NMG squad. Total of 4 players still remaining, and it's going to be a very good fight coming in from team number 17 now, and team number 11, they have to look out for team number 17, team number 3 as well. But let's take a look at team 𝐶𝐻𝐸. Is it going to be another knockout? Yes, 𝐶𝐻𝐸 managed to get another knockout. And we have team number 19 right there in front. We have 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏 gonna go for the push against, by 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏. Shots being fired, and she's gonna fall back from the fight and gonna boost herself back again. And one player there from MH squad, team number 21, is being knocked out, and is not going to be revived coming from team number 21, is because that blue zone is gonna move in and going to take so much damage. Another player there is still outside the player zone. We have 𝐶𝐻𝐸 here, very good position for them. They are holding this compound, and 𝐶𝐻𝐸, one player each in every building, and and team number 14 is being taken down, or it's 19, right? It's team number 19 has been taken down, and we have only 9 squads remaining and 27 players remaining in this fight. Team number 7 also gonna die outside that play zone. Team number 20 is still with 2 players still remaining, and there's a revive coming in from team number 20, I guess. Team number 7 gonna die outside the play zone. So now it's going to be only 8 teams, or maybe still with 9 teams. So we have one player still remaining from team number 7. It seems like shots being fired, and team number 7, the last remaining player, he's going to be in a fight with team number 17. Team number 17 is going to take this guy down, the last remaining player from team number 7, 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏. Will he be able to survive with 0 kill from his own squad? Is going to be a grenade going to be thrown from 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏. Will he manage to get a knockout? Let's take a look. No knockout coming in with that grenade. So we have team number 17 going to be in a fight with team number 3 and team number 4 as well. Look at team number 17. They are looking strong here. And team number 4 with the last remaining player is going to be a very big challenge for team number 4 here. The last remaining player. And now team number 17 gonna climb up and gonna go for the push against team number 4. Let's take a look at MMG squad. There's gonna be a push coming in. There it is. And team number 17 managed to take down the last remaining player. What a nice grenade there. Before he died, he threw a grenade, but no one has been taken down with that grenade. So we have team number 7 here still remaining, the last remaining player. But let's take a look who's gonna be in the next fight. Team number 17 still with 4 players still remaining, and we have team number 3 also SLES squad still remaining as well. We have 𝐶𝐻𝐸 going to be in a fight. 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏 going to be in a fight with team number he managed to get that kill. Yes, he managed to get that kill. 2 kills in total for 𝐶𝐻𝐸 unknown there. And let's take a look. It's going to be a heal battle. She still managed to survive, and it's going to be a fight to move into the safe zone. And 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏 with very low HP still managed to get inside the play zone. Team number 20, only 1 player still remaining, and whoa, what's that? M249 managed to take down players. 1 kill already for 𝐓𝐻𝐺𝐠. So we have team number 14 UZ there being knocked out, and is going to be a revive coming in from 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏, I guess. SLES P-Man Whitey also still remaining. Another player there from team number 17 being knocked out. So now with only 2 players still standing from team number team number 17. Managed to take down P-Man. P-Man has been taken down. So let's say with team number 17, total of 13 kills. So now it's going to be 4 squads still remaining, and team number 14, 3 players still remaining. Team number 6 also Q2C still remaining with only 2 players. So we have team number 7, the last remaining player, 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. But let's take a look. Will 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is gonna take the fight? It seems like 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 going to be in a fight with 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Let's take a look. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 managed to take down 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, the last remaining player from team number 7. So now 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is gonna be in a fight with team number 7 and team number 6. Who's gonna get the chicken dinner in this fight? We have 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏s playing very good in this match, but team number 17 have got the lead in the kills. Even though they have got they didn't get the chicken dinner, they have got enough kills to take their own squad at the top position. So let's take a look who's gonna get that chicken dinner. Will it be MMG, or will it be 𝐶𝐻𝐸, or will it be Q2C? So that blue zone is gonna move in again, and it seems like team number 17 they are gonna use and utilize those smoke grenades, and it's going to be a grenade coming in from team number 14. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 we managed to take down. It seems like 1 player there from team number 6 is gonna die. It's going to be a heal battle coming in from team number 6. So now it's going to be team number 14 and team number 17. now is very good fight happening between Team Khasi Royals and NMG. 2 players still remaining from NMG with 3 players still remaining from Khasi Royals. Let's take a look who's gonna get that chicken in a 3 versus 2 between these two squads. It seems like QTC still in the fight with that heel battle. QTC team number 6. Oh, by side Q2C still doing with that high heel battle. Another player there is going to be a smoke grenade coming in from team number 70. What a nice grenade from 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and Khasi Royals, proving themselves to be worthy of this fight as well. Last remaining player there from team number 17 is going to be in a fight with Khasi Royals, the last remaining player, and 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 managed to take down the last remaining player from team number 17. What a nice fight. Look at QTC Benz with that heel battle managed to get his own squad to second position. He stole that second position from team number 17. And Q2C Benz or Bhai Saab is still doing with that heel battle. I think he didn't know that there's only only Khasi Royals still remaining. How many first aid kit did he have? How many first aid kit QTC Benz? Wow. Is it a level 5 match or what? Oh, he still managed to get some damage, so it seems like chicken dinner for Khasi Royals. Congratulations to Khasi Royals for getting that chicken dinner in Miramar, the first match of the day. And what a nice match coming in from Khasi Royals. NMG, QTC, everyone have proved themselves worthy of this fight. And we'll be right back with the next match. It's going to be in Wrangle. Please stay tuned and please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. We will see you guys in a short while in the second match. Stay tuned. We will be right back.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. forget and forget.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and cut the blade. And of course it says my name if you run away. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah. Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and cut the blade. And of course it says my name if you run away. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah. Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused.
welcome back to you. And we are here with the second match of the day. Second match for the semi-final group A. And we have in the wrangle. Let's take a look who's gonna take the chicken dinner in this match. This match, Cassie Oils managed to get that chicken dinner. But let's take a look at the second match. Who's gonna take down the chicken dinner? So we have a total of 72 players and a total of 19 squads. It seems like one squad didn't join on time, and we have only 19 squads in this match. The previous match, actually, it's a total of 20 squads. So we have a plane going from the western part of the map is going to the southeastern part of the map, from 𝗏𝗏𝗏 going straight to 𝗏𝗘𝗏𝗡. So we already have 2 squads jumping off the plane, 3 squads already making their way into hospital. Maybe it seems like 2 or 3 squads gonna go to Georgopol City or maybe hospital. Let's take a look who's gonna be the next squad gonna take down this Pochinki in the central part of the map here. So before we go ahead with the stream and before we go ahead with the commentary, so please, it's my humble request to each and every one of you who are watching the stream, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And that's it. Okay, there's nothing left to do, and it's only just like and subscribe. So we have already one knockout happening. Arey bhai sahab, one knockout happening already. What? One player from team number 9 is being knocked out, and they are in a fight with team number 5. Team number 5 managed to get 1 kill already, and it seems like going to be in a fight again. One player there from team number 9, he's pretty far away from his own teammates, and they are still trying to hold the position on top of that hill. And we have 2 players there inside that hospital, and 1 player from team number 18. It's not from team number 9, is from team number 18. It is going to be a grenade coming in from team number 5, and team number 5 is going to be a one-on-one fight between team number 18 and team number 5, RT squad and DS squad. Who's gonna win in this fight? 1 kill already has been taken down by team number 5, and 1 player from team number 18 is pretty far away. So we have team number 9 there holding their position inside that hospital, gonna get as much loot before they take the fight. And look at that grenade coming in from 𝗏𝗏𝗏, managed to take so much damage against DS 𝐴𝐿𝐵𝐼. It seems like other squads are also in a fight as well. It seems like in military base is going to be a fight. No one in 𝗏𝗏𝗏. Seems like in 𝗏𝗏𝗏 2 squads, and we have in 𝐒𝐓𝐃𝐄 1 squad is already trying to make their way into 𝐒𝐓𝐃𝐄. So we have DS squad here. Did he manage to get a gun? Yes, he managed to get that UMP. So now team number 5 managed to assemble together. Now it's going to be a very good fight happening. So team number 18, 𝗏𝗏𝗏, is in a very bad position now, being solo, and team number 5 is going to be 1 player there from team number 5 gonna take this rooftop here. And will he throw a grenade? Does he have a grenade or a Molotov? And let's take a look at RT 𝗏𝗏𝗏. Will he be able to survive? There's the shots coming in from 𝐿𝐼𝐸𝐻, managed to take 50% of damage, and 𝗏𝗏𝗏 is in a very bad position. It seems like 𝗏𝗏𝗏 is gonna fall back, or it's gonna be a push coming from DS 𝐿𝐵𝐼, and he's still waiting for his own team. It's going to be a 3 versus 1, and team number 18 we are gonna lose 1 player here, and team number 18 very low HP, and team number 18, Arey bhai sahab, very low HP. He have that double barrel shotgun along with that Uzi, and he's been knocked out. And team number 5 with a total of 2 kills. Team number 5 with a total of 2 kills. That is from 𝐿𝐼𝐸𝐻 alone. Total of 2 kills. 3 players only joining this match, but they have got a total of 2 kills already. So let's take a look at the fight happening. Shots being fired from team number 9 as well. Let's take a look at the fight. Let's take a look to 𝗏𝗏𝗏. We have team number 22 in a fight with team number 13. Yes, with team number 13. So who's gonna be taken down? We still have a total of 4 players remaining from team HPIM and team number 13. They are still busy going for loot, and they are not gonna take the fight. We have team number 13. They are spreading out everywhere. Same goes for team number 22 as well. We have 2 players on the left and 2 players on the right. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 still trying to hold the positions on both the sides, but team number 13 only 1 player there on the left side. Let's take a look at military base. We have a fight happening between team number 7 and team number 4. Only 1 player is right in this portion of the map, right beside these apartments. We have only 1 player there from SLK. He's pretty far away from his own teammates. If he's being pushed by team number 7, it's gonna be it for team number 4. The player from team number 4, he's pretty far away from his own teammates, and team number 4, they are on the left side of military base. It seems like team number 4, they are gonna assemble together with his guy here, Mad Dog OP SLK. So only 3 players joining this match from team number 4 SLK squad, and now they are in a very bad position. 1 player is out in the open, and team number 7 still trying to go for loot in these 3 apartments. So Miramar, in this Erangel, it seems like everyone is busy with the loot. As compared to the previous match in Miramar, so much fight is happening right from the start till the end. And right now in Erangel, everybody seems to calm down, and no one is taking the fight. Only 1 squad has been taken down, which is team number 18. So let's take a look. Team number 18? I thought team number 18 has been taken down, every one of them. Which squad is it? It's been taken down. Oh, we see it. That's not the last guy, right? He's pretty far away from his teammates, and he's been taken down by team number 18. Or which squad is it? Oh, team number 18 lost 1 player in a fight with that squad, team number 5. Team number 5 with a total of 2 kills. Yes, a total of 2 kills. So now team number 9 is gonna go for the push against team number 18, and team number 18, it seems like he's gonna fall back. Team number 18, team number 9 here, RNG squad gonna go for the push, it seems, or maybe they are gonna fall back as well. So let's take a look. The zone is shifting to the right hand side of the map, to the eastern part there. Let's take a look at 𝗏𝗏𝐻𝐾. We have 2 squads, 1 squad here in 𝗏𝗏𝐻𝐾, and a fight is happening between which part of the map here we are going to see a fight. Yes, we have a fight between team number 14 and team number 5. It seems like team number 5 also going to be in a fight with team number 14. They already spotted those players, and 𝐾𝐀 is the ones who got that chicken dinner in this previous match, and it seems that they're going to go for the next kill here against team number 5. For those of you who are watching the fight and who are watching the stream, please make sure to hit the like button and show your support. It seems like team number 5 gonna go for the rotation on the right side, and only 2 players are remaining on the left side, and 𝐶𝐻𝐻 is gonna be gonna face a very big problem, and team number 5 gonna assemble together, and team number 14 𝐶𝐻𝐻, 2 players on top of that hill and 2 players inside this compound. And let's take a look. Team number 5 with 3 players joining this fight, and 𝐶𝐻𝐻's 4 players in this fight. It seems like they have a very good advantage, and 𝐶𝐻𝐻s, don't underestimate 𝐶𝐻𝐻s. They are the ones who got that chicken dinner in the previous match, and it seems like DS squad, they are gonna take that rich, and we are going to see a rotation coming in from team number 5 as well. So let's take a look. 𝐶𝐻𝐻s, are they gonna go and get closer and closer against team number 5? Cover is been taken by those 2 players from team number 40, and 𝗏𝐺𝐃𝐃 also gonna come in closer and closer from the left side. Is going to be a grenade coming in from Uzi there from team number 14. There's a knockout from 𝗏𝐺𝐃𝐃 right away from the right side, and it's going to be a push coming in from 𝐶𝐻𝐻s. Uzi managed to take down that confirmation, and now we have only 2 players remaining from team number 5 DS squad. Now we are going to see another player being knocked out, and Uzi proving himself to be worthy of this fight again, and another kill. Uzi with a total of 1 kill, and the other 2 kills been taken down by 𝗏𝐺𝐃𝐃 and their own and the other players from 𝐶𝐻𝐻. So let's take a look in Rozhok. We have 1 player there from team number 1 player has been taken down from team number 13, and it seems team number 13 is in a very bad spot now. HPIM is gonna go for the push against its last remaining player from SS Damizil. Team number 13, let's take a look at the last remaining player. Will he be able, or is pretty far away? He's not going to be able to go for revive, because team number 22, he is going to go for the push. Being the last guy from team number 13, he's going to utilize a grenade. Will he get that and knockout? Yes, he managed to get a knockout with that grenade. He's not going to be able to get that confirmation, because the cover has been taken by Warhead there from the right side, and team number 22 still managed to get that revive, and it's going to be 3 players still remaining. So let's take a look in the central part of the safe zone here. We have so many squads already make their way into the safe zone. We have team number 15 also they are right on the beside this Milta. We still have team number 7 and team number 4, the lone survivor here. It's not the lone survivor, but he's a solo player from team number 4. He's pretty far away from his own teammates. 2 of his other teammates are in the southern part of military base. So let's say who's gonna be in the next fight. Yes, Naya, we have team number 16. No one is right there, but we have team number 19 also gonna move in. NSG squad, they are making their way from 𝐒𝐲𝐻𝐾 and they are going to directly straight to Yasnaya. We have NSG squad, 2 players on the left side as well. So let's take a look at 4MW squad. 4MW from team number 12, they are still in prison and they are gonna move out of their own position, it seems. And we have NSG squad also gonna move into mansion position, and NSG squad, 2 players, they are going to face a very big problem against team number 16. So we still have in Georgia Paul team number 9. They are gonna face damage coming in from that blue zone. Okay, we are going to see a fight right here between team number 21 and team number 20. Let's take a look who's gonna take the knockout here. From team number 21, we have a full man squad from team number 20 and a full man squad from team number 21. Who's gonna be taken down here? Team number F4GS and MH squad. Let's take a look. Team number 20 and team number 21, and it's going to be exchange of grenades between these 2 squads. Molotov grenade, and no knockout has been taken, and it's going to be a push coming in, and 𝐒𝐓𝐻 here being solo in the front here, and it's going to be a knockout. Oh, 𝐒𝐓𝐻 managed to get a knockout, and 𝐒𝐓𝐻 is being knocked out as well. And now 3 players against 3 players managed to get that confirmation. Team number 21 and another player from F4GS being knocked out as well, and they are still trying to go for the confirmation. And team number 20 here with only 2 players still remaining, and shots being fired from MH squad from the player from team number 21, and another player is being knocked out. This is the last player remaining from F4GS. Is going to be a very bad gameplay for team number 20 because 3 players been taken down, so it's going to be a very bad gameplay for him. The last remaining survivor, is he gonna fall back or is he gonna take the fight? I guess he's gonna take the fight. 2 players been knocked out from team number 21. Now it's his only chance to take down team number 21, because team number 21, they are still busy trying to go for the revive. And Denver there managed to take down the last remaining player from team number 20. So now team number 21 managed to get a total of 4 kills, and team number 21 managed to win in that fight. Team number 20, they are going to lobby team number 20. So let's take a look at team number 4. Team number 4, they are still in military base. Damage is going to be taken from that blue zone, and team number 7, they are still trying to make their way into the safe zone. They have to cross that bridge. Maybe they are going to they are gonna take the left or the right side. I guess they are gonna take the left side of the bridge, because it's pretty far away, so they are gonna prevent any fight in the bridge. So we have team number NMG, team number 17, who got that 3rd position in this in the previous match. They are on the left side there from the 𝐶𝐻𝐾 side. They are going to move into the safe zone as well. Let's take a look at NSG squad. They are still trying to assemble together with their own teammates. So we have the central part here. We have another fight happening. Team number 21 trying to take some shots against team number 18, but team number 18, they are pretty far away. So we have team number 6 also gonna get closer and closer. They managed to get an hour against team number 18, but team number 18, are you gonna be able to take that revive? No, it's not gonna be a revive. There's a shots coming in from team number, which team is it? From team number 3. Now this guy here is gonna die, so it's going to be the last remaining player from team number 18. Oh, last 2 remaining players from team number 18. So we are going to see a very big fight happening in a moment in the central part of the safe zone here. We still have so many squads here outside the play zone. We still have team number 19, number 4 still outside the play zone. Team number 7 also still have to make their way to cross that bridge. Team number 17 already make their way, and they are gonna take that bridge. They are gonna take that bridge, and they are gonna make they are gonna wait for the next zone to shift. So let's take a look who's gonna be in the next squad taken down. We still have a total of 55 players remaining and a total of 16 squads in this fight. Who you want me to spectate? Pin ETM LH bro. Which slot? Which slot? 𝐿𝐻𝐿. No problem, Neil. No problem. You are always in our hearts. Win or lose, no problem, bro. No problem. Win or lose, everybody has a time. Right? Win or lose, no problem, bro. Still so many chance to win. all the best for the main tournament. This is just a mini tournament, it's just a qualifying tournament. So all the best to Fear Squad in the main tournament. So nobody is in the fight yet. We still have a total of 55 players and a total of 16 squads remaining. So let's take a look at team number 12. They are still pretty far away from 2 players right here and in this inside the squad house, and 2 players on the right side. Okay, it's time to break all those windows. Come on. So who do you want me to spectate? 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝐿H, bro. Which slot, bro? Which slot? So everybody calming down right now. No, nobody is gonna take the shots. Nobody is gonna fire. And it seems like team number 16 here gonna be in a fight with team number 10. The blue zone is gonna make its way right about now, and everybody is gonna move into the zone as well. We still have team number 4 gonna take that right side of the bridge, and team number 7 also gonna move from the left side of that bridge. They are gonna have a very good spot. They are gonna make their way into the safe zone. And let's take a look at team number 16. It's pretty far away from his own teammates, and it seems like oh, they are still together. Team number 16, I thought they are pretty far away from one another. So we are going to see a fight between team number 16 and team number 10 right inside 𝐼𝐻𝐻. Still with 3 players remaining from team number 16 and team number 10. How many players remaining from team number 10? We have a total of 4 players from team number 10. So it's going to be a very good fight happening in 𝐼𝐻𝐻. Otherwise both of these squads gonna move inside that safe zone, or they're gonna take the fight right inside this 𝐼𝐻𝐻. So everybody not gonna move out of their position, because each and every one of them still inside that clear zone. We have 𝐻𝐵IM right in the central part of the safe zone there, and no one is surrounding them, and they are in very good position there. Let's take a look at 𝐻𝐵IM. Very good position for them inside this compound, and they are not being surrounded by anyone. 𝐻𝐵IM squad. Slot number 6. Okay, you want me to spectate slot number 6? Where's slot number 6? Right here. Q2C, bro. Q2C. Slot number 6. Right inside this shelter. Okay, right inside this shelter. No kills yet for team number 6. Q2C. These are the ones who got that second position in the previous match. With that heal battle, they steal that second position from NMG. And a blue zone is gonna take damage. Team number 4 still fighting for their way into the safe zone, and the next zone is gonna appear. It seems like gonna shift, yes, to the northern part. I was about to say to the north part of the map here, and we have the zones shifting, and everyone gonna move out of their own position. Let's take a look who's gonna be in a fight. It seems like team number 16 gonna be in a fight with team number 10. Team number 10 already managed to move out of 𝐼𝐻𝐻, and team number 16 as well. They have to respawn as soon as possible, and they're gonna move outside of 𝐼𝐻𝐻 as well. And gonna continue to fight right inside that player zone. So let's zoom in a while, and let's take a look at the other squads. We have team number 12. Also gonna move out of their position. It's a very boring fight for now, but let's wait until the very last fight. Still so many players remaining. It's going to be a very big fight happening. So we already have a fight. 𝐻𝐵IM already with that knockout. It's going to be a fight between NSG and team number 22 𝐻𝐵IM. So let's take a look. NSG squad, 1 player is being knocked out. So now we are going to see a very big fight happening, and 1 player there from team 22 is being knocked out. He's being confirmed as well. And NSG squad is being knocked out, and it seems like it's going to be a grenade and smoke grenade gonna be thrown. And NSG squad with 3 players still remaining. And team number 22, how many players still remaining? Is going to be the last remaining player. Yes, the last remaining player from team 𝐻𝐵IM has been taken down by team NSG squad. That kill was stolen by SLES squad. I thought NSG squad got that kill, but SLES got that kill against team number from team number 21. Team number 21 𝐻𝐵IM has been taken down and being sent to lobby. So now we are going to see a fight between NSG and SLES. SLES trying to hold the position inside those school apartments, And we have team number 19 here, NSG, a total of 4 players remaining as well. So where is the next fight going to happen next? Team Q2C, team number 6, they are still making their way outside of that shell. They're going to be in a fight with team number 21, it seems. And team number 21 still trying to hold the position, and they are going to be in a fight with NMG Squad. NMG Squad, they are the ones who are very OP team in the previous fight. You have got a total of 13 or 14 kills in the previous fight. So let's take a look. NMG Squad, one player is being knocked out by Q2C from team number 6. So now we are going to see a push come in from team number 6. It's going to be a confirmation. There's a confirmation from team number 6. So now team NMG with only 3 players still remaining, and team number 6 still managed to survive with a total of 4 players. And team number 17 is in very bad position. They are out in the open. It's going to be a grenade. Yes, a grenade coming in from Q2C. Managed to knock out NMG Squad, and NMG Squad with only 2 players still remaining. They are right in between team number 6 and in between team number 21 as well. Team number 18 right there in the left side. And we have team number 6 still managed to survive with a total of 4 players remaining. Team number 17 still trying to hold their position inside this compound. They have got 2 UAZs in, just in case they have to move out of this position, because it seems like they are not in. Once that blue zone is gonna shift, they have to move inside they have to move to other safe zone as well. But let's hope that the safe zone is not gonna shift too far away from team number 17. But this is you know, it's it's very hard to guess that safe zone. So we have team number 18 to the inside the other compound. Team number 18 with 2 players still remaining as well. Team number 17 NMG Squad is also 2 players still remaining, but team number 6, they have got a very good advantage. But team number 15, they are on top of that hill. They have got a very good position. They are going to be able to spot each and every players down below there. And let's take a look. Team number 6 already trying to make their way. Maybe are going to see a fight between team number 6 and team number 6 and team number 21. Let's take a look. We are going to see a fight between these 2 squads. Team number 6 already managed to get inside this compound, and team number 21, we are going to face a fight with team number 6. And now we have MH Squad also managed to take down players and managed to take down kills. And we have MH Squad. Let's take a look at MH Squad with a total of 7 kills. They are going to be in the next fight with team number 6, Q2C. A total of 7 kills, and 2 players from team number 21, they are still trying to hold their position on top of this hill. They have got a Dacia, or they have got 2 UAZs and 1 buggy. They still have a very good advantage, very good chance for them to get inside that player zone. They are gonna take 1 UAZ each and 1 buggy still left, and still they have got a total of 4 players still remaining. Look at that. We are going to see a very big fight happening in the safe zone right about now. And let's take a look at team number 6 and team number 21 not in a fight. So let's take a look. So there's the shots being fired from team number 21 and Q2C. They are gonna fall back. 1 player, he's pretty far away from his own teammates, Q2C Reaper, and he's right outside that player zone, and shots being fired from team number 21. Team number 6, 3 players right inside that player zone, and they are on the left side. 1 player there from team number 15 is being knocked out, and team number 3 here managed to get that 1 kill there. And we have 1 player still remaining from team number 15, and it's going to be the last remaining player, I guess. Yes, the last remaining player from team number 15, and it's going to be a very tough fight for him. He's being surrounded by team number 3 SLES. He's being surrounded by team number 18. He's being surrounded by team number 6 from team number 12 as well. Let's say there's going to be a push coming in. Oh, but not really managed. Yes, he managed to get that knockout. He's going to try to take that confirmation, but being the last guy surviving is going to be very hard for him. And a last remaining player from team number 18 has been taken down by team number 12. AH Squad managed to take down the last remaining player from team number 18. So now we are going to see Kasi Royals going to be in a fight with team number 12 and team number 3 and team number 15. Team number 15, he's gonna wait and hold his position, being the lone survivor. He's not gonna try to expose himself because if he exposes himself, he's gonna be taken down. So now team number 6 is gonna go for the push. Oh my god, he's riding out in the open, and he still managed to survive, and shots being fired, but still with 1 HP he managed to survive. But still he's being knocked out, and team number 6, 1 player is being knocked out. So with only 3 players still remaining, team number 6, let's take a look at team number 6. They are still got that high ground, and going to see a fight between team number 6 and team number 12. Shots being fired by 𝐶𝐓 squad, and Q2C is being knocked out. Let's take a look at 𝐶𝐓 right there down below. They still managed to get a knockout against team number 6. So now we're going to see team number 12 also gonna take a chance against team number 6. Team number 6 is gonna go for the divide. They still managed to go for the divide, and shots being fired. With that combination of DP with 4x, it's going to be a smoke grenade. Did he have any smoke grenades? Yes. They are going to use those smoke grenades, and they're going to move inside that player zone. Team number 15 still having a very good chance, but he's out in the open. He's being surrounded by team number 14, team number 3, team number 11, and team number 6. Maybe if that last guy, Kiwi from team number 15, survive in this fight, then I don't know what to say. The lone survivor from team number 15. So let's take a look at the fight happening here. Team number 12 also have to respond as soon as possible, because that blue zone is going to take damage. It seems like team number 12 is going to be in a fight with team number 11. Team number 11 here, let's take a look at Reagan prone. He's going to be spotted by team number 12. Team number 12 right there on top, and he's hiding right behind his tree. But let's take a look at NSG squad. Oh, NSG squad, all players have been taken down or what? Arey bhai saab, NSG, all of them has just been taken down. No, they are still surviving, bhai saab. I thought they have been taken down. Actually, they managed to get a total of 3 kills. NSG squad OP. Yeah, we still have a total of 4 players still remaining, and they are in a fight with team number 14, Khasi Royals, and NSG. They are going to be in a very big fight. Team number 21 also gonna join the fight as well. 1 player there from team number 21. He's right in between team number 14 and team number 19. But we still have SLK squad also right there, right in the front. Team number 4. So let's take a look. It's gonna be a grenade coming in from team number 21. Oh, no damage there. Team number 21, 2 players still remaining, and it's going to be another grenade coming in from team number 19. NSG squad. There is going to be a knockout coming in from team number 19. No knockouts. So smoke grenade is going to be utilized by team number 21. Oh, bhai saab, what a nice grenade there from NSG Tomato. Managed to knock out there 1 player from team number 21. So now we're going to see a push coming from team number 7 against team number 4 as well. Let's take a look at this last remaining player from team number 21. It's going to be a very big challenge for him. 2 players still remaining from team number 21. A very big fight happening. Team number 19. Shots being fired by team number 9 as well. And team Khasi Royals, they have got a very good spot here with a total of 4 players still remaining. Very good spot inside this warehouse. And they still have to hold their position. They have got this safe zone for themselves. And they are still going to try to take the fight until the very last zone again. So we still have so many players being knocked out. It seems like team number 16 also 2 players being knocked out. The last remaining player from team number 16, he still got a very good spot for him, and is going to be shots is going to be a smoke grenade maybe, or maybe he doesn't have any smoke grenade. So we still have a fight happening from team number 9. Team number 9, they are still pretty far away from the safe zone as well. They have got this car explosion to hide behind it. And we have team number 19 below this very small ridge, and we have Khasi Royals, very good spot for them. And let's take a look at SLES. Is going to be a very bad position for them. SLES, 1 player is being knocked out, so now they have only 3 players. There's a revive coming in, and they still have a total of 4 players still remaining. SLES squad, they still managed to get inside that safe zone. So let's take a look. They are going to utilize those smoke grenades, and it's going to be a very big fight happening in this compound. Look at all these players, so many squads remaining, a total of 10 squads and a total of 24 players. Boom bam happening, and another player from SLES being knocked out by Snake Eyes from Khasi Royals. Khasi Royals prove themselves to be very worthy of this match as well. Again, they are still trying to go for the chicken dinner. They are not gonna let anyone to take that chicken dinner. So we have another fight. NSG squad managed to knock out, and another player from NSG squad is being knocked out. Let's take a look. Arey bhai saab, come on. Okay, left. So So there's a revive coming in from NSG squad. They are still going to manage to go for
You
revive. Team number
heal.
7. They are,
Aram
oh,
ne
they are moving right in front of Castle
You
Royal.
fight निकल.
And one player there from team
निकल,
number
निकल,
11 is
आराम ले.
being out.
Fight
The last
India,
remaining
पीछा,
player from
पीछा,
team number 11 is being out.
पीछा
He
बना.
managed to take down team number 7 as well. As he fight Castle Royals was managed to take down the last remaining player from team number 11. Castle Royals proved themselves to be worthy of this match again. And SLES, the last remaining players, and managed to take down 𝐒𝐲𝐈, the last remaining player from team number 16. And let's take a look. We still have a total of 4 squads remaining. It's going to be a very big fight happening. Let's take a look at SLES. We still have NSG, Castle Royals, and the last remaining player from team number 21 still remaining. Let's take a look at 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 is being knocked out by NSG squad. And only 2 players still remaining from Castle Royals. Are they going to be able to survive in this fight? 2 players remaining from Castle Royals, and team number 21 is going to be in a fight. There it is, the last remaining player, and team number 7 also going down. And team number 19 also 1 player still remaining. NSG squad and Castle Royals also 1 player still remaining. So let's take a look. Uzi, very low HP. Look at his HP, 1 HP. And we still have Castle Royals. Will he be able to go for the revive for his own teammates? And SLES still surviving with 4 players. SLES, they are gonna still try to go for that chicken dinner. So now we have 2 players remaining from NSG squad. It seems like NSG gonna go for the push against 𝐾𝐻𝐷𝐻𝐷. Will he be able to get a clutch against team number 19? So now 𝐾𝐻𝐷𝐻𝐷 being the lone survivor. Oh, bhai sahab, the last remaining player from Castle Royals has been taken down by NSG. So now we are going to see very big fight happening between these 2 squads. SLES against NSG squad. Team number 19 against team number 3. Is going to be a 4 versus... Oh, we still have 3 players remaining from NSG squad. So it's going to be a 4 versus 3 full squad from SLES and 3 players remaining from NSG squad. So it's going to be a smoke grenade. NSG Apollo is being knocked out by Bunny. Is going to be 2 players still remaining. That blue zone is gonna move in again. And team number 3, they have to move out in the open. So which is why they are going to utilize those smoke grenades. And team number 19, very good spot for them in below this small ridge. And that blue zone is in their favor, and they have still got a very good chance against team number 3 SLES. 2 players remaining from NSG and 4 players remaining from SLES. Let's take a look. It's going to be a grenade and Molotov going to be thrown by SLES. No damage has been taken. Bhai Saab. Group B mentah kesini kan dan bro. Group B mentah kesini kan dan mah. Kaklan jangi kan lakai Group B. We are in the semi-finals, bro. We are in the semi-finals as well. Don't underestimate para bamnang. Okay, let's take a look at 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏. He's facing so much damage coming from team number 3 SLES. P-Man Whitey. He's gonna utilize his grenade. Okay, there's another grenade. Oh, Molotov. It's not a grenade, so he missed that Molotov. So it's going to be 2 players remaining. Let's take a look. Oh, Tomato managed to knock out P-Man Whitey, and there it is. And there it is, the last remaining player from NSG, Tomato. 𝐒𝐲𝐿 also being knocked out. The last remaining player from NSG also been taken down. So there's a chicken dinner coming in from SLES. Congratulations with that chicken dinner. Castle Royals managed to get that 3rd position, and NSG squad 2nd position. SLES chicken dinner. Congratulations to Castle Royals chicken dinner first match, and SLES chicken dinner in the 2nd match. So let's take a look there. We have a total of, oh, I can't even count the kills from SLES. Look at their kills. 8, 4, 5, 6. So you have to calculate it by yourself, okay? We have NSG also with a total of 6, 7, 8, 9 kills. Castle Royals with a total of 4, 5, 6, 10 kills. Okay, the remaining squads, I'll just take a screenshot. And then I'll end the stream because we have a match. Okay, Group B, Para Bamlang also going to be participating in the semi-final in a while. Okay, maybe I don't know who's gonna stream, but let's wait and see. We will see you guys in Group B stream. Okay, we will see you guys there. And thank you so much for watching. For those of you who hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, thank you so much to each and every one of you. And for those of you who haven't hit the like button, and who haven't subscribed, please take your time now and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, and not stay tuned, we will see you guys soon enough, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We will see you guys again, and bye bye, good night, and peace.
It's 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐑𝐆𝐀. It's 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐑𝐆𝐀.
I bought a view in him like you, I can't make up a tay. I back it in